Why hello, it's me, MrSasaki, and today is Allegro on the viola tutorial step-by-step walkthrough. Alright, Allegro, song number 9 in Suzuki Viola Book 1, alright? This is what we call a plateau piece. So we've learned a substantial amount of skill up till now, and we're just going to this song lets us flex our muscles, show off what we can do a little bit. Therefore, it's one of my students' favorites. Alright, so, get this. This song has 4 lines, 2 of which are unique. Alright, we only have an A and a B that's different. So the form is A, B, A. So 3 A's and 1 B. What could be simpler? Here we go. Let's learn this line A first. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to have my fingers here. We're on the 3rd finger on the A string. Okay, here we go. Ready, and 3, 3, A, 1, 2, 3, 1, A. Now the D string. 3, 3, 2, 2, 1, D, 1, 2, D. Alright, let's try plucking it. Ready, go. 3, 3, A, 1, 2, 3, 1, A, 3, 3, 2, 2, 1, D, 1, 2, D. Okay, if you notice something, this part, it's from Goto and Rodi, right? So we took a finger twister from the past and brought it into the present, and a good chance to review and show off how much we've improved, all right? So, Goto and Rodi, A, 3, 2, 2, 1, D, 1, 2, D. In this song, 3, 3, 2, 2, 1, D, 1, 2, D. Cool, right? So, let's practice this line A with this Goto and Rodi insertion up here in pizzicato. Thumbs, pointed fingers. Here we go. 1, 2, 3 on the A string. And you know what? Let's do it 2 times in a row because our form is A, B, A. Let's do the 2 A's together. Why not? 1, 2, ready, go. 3, 3, A, 1, 2, 3, 1, A, 3, 3, 2, 2, 1, D, 1, 2, D. Again. 3, 3, A, 1, 2, 3, 1, A, 3, 3, 2, 2, 1, D, 1, 2, D. Okay, so go back, practice that some more, okay? Line B is interesting because it's beautiful. It's marked Dolce, which means sweetly, right? So we're going to use our opening and closing our elbows when we use our bow. It's going to be super smooth, a nice contrast to the A line. All right, so the other thing to know about line B is that we have RIT, which stands for Ritardando. So same thing as fire retardant. You kind of spray the fire to slow it down, right, to push it away. In this case, we're pushing our tempo down. So what we're going to do is slow down at the end. So we have A, 2, 1. See? So we're going to kind of slow down. We're going to retardando there, okay? The last thing that we have in this line that's interesting is a fermata, right? So that's what looks like, my teacher called it a bird's eye. It's like a rainbow with a dot. It's almost like your eye, like that. It's like your eyeball. or your eyebrows and your eyeball. Boop. And it means to whatever it is over, it allows you to hold it. Okay, in this case, it's kind of over nothing, really. So we can hold our last note a little bit longer, and then we can also hold the rest for as long as we want to. Within reason, of course. So it's kind of a fun line. It allows some creativity. Okay, so here's our fingering, okay? So it's going to be 1 on the A string. Here we go. And 1, 1, A, D, 1, 1, A, D, 1, 2, 3, 1, A, 2, 1. Got that ending? Slows down. All right, I'm going to pluck it. Ready, and 1, 1, A, D, 1, 1, A, D, 1, 2, 3, 1, A, 2, 1. Okay, so that's our line B. Let's put it all together. Okay, so we're gonna pluck. Well, let's pluck it first, and then we're gonna do super pizzicato. All right, so let's do the line B plucking. Ready, 1 on the A string. Ready, go. 1, 1, A, D, 1, 1, A, D, 1, 2, 3, 1, A, 2, 1. Okay, now let's put it all together. Okay, A, B, A, super pizzicato practice. this is going to be good. Here we go. 1, 2, 3 on the A string. Ready, set, go. 3, 3, A, 1, 2, 3, 1, A, 3, 3, 2, 2, 1, D, 1, 2, D. Again. 3, 3, A, 1, 2, 3, 1, A, 3, 3, 2, 2, 1, D, 1, 2, D. B line. 1, 1, A, D, 1, 1, A, D, 1, 2, 3, 1, A, 2, 1. Last line A. Ready, go. 3, 3, A, 1, 2, 3, 1, A, 3, 3, 2, 2, 1, D, 1, 2, D. Okay, so now we gotta add the bow, okay? If you need to go back and practice that, because now we gotta do the bow. The bow has some interesting things to work on, but it's pretty easy once you get it. All right, so first of all, we have staccato marks above our 3, 3, A, and then we have A, 3, 3, 2, 2. So the quarter notes are all staccato pretty much, okay? So how do we do that? What we need to do is kind of make sure that we have some weight. If you can see, my bow is pressing down. Do you see that stick pushing down? We want to have that pressure pushing down, and we're going to do sort of explosive movements like this, okay? So we're just going to keep the weight. Don't release the weight. Keep it on, and then go do, down, up, like that. And because of our weight that we're putting down, that's going to stop the bow from moving. So it's going to be like, you see? So I'm pressing down and I'm going to move, and then the friction kind of stops the bow, and then I kind of push and pull and push like that, okay? With my opening and closing my elbow. So let's just practice the beginning. 3, 3, A. Weight on, lean into that index finger here, okay? Ready, go. 3, 3, A. Do you hear that? It's like pow, 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 pow. Like that's what we want, that energy. So keep that weight in. Don't try to dig in with every stroke. Weight in, and don't be afraid of an ugly sound. Just go good, back and forth, okay? And it's going to be energetic and amazing, okay? The key is to not let that weight go. Just kind of make sure that it has some tension in there and go, okay? If not, you're going to end up with, it's going to sound kind of wishy-washy. We don't want that. We want energy. Allegro sounds alive and lively, okay? That's what we want, okay? So let's put it all together. Quarter notes, energetic. So lean into those. The eighth notes are going to be smooth. And, okay? Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. 3, 3, A. 1, 2, 3, 1, A. 3, 3, 2, 2, 1, D, 1, 2, D. Okay? Let's add a bow circle at the end of that. And there we have line A. So, let's put it all together in line A and line A, okay? And then there's bow circles at the end of line A, okay? Ready, staccato, ready, go. 3, 3, A. 1, 2, 3, 1, A. 3, 3, 2, 2, 1, D, 1, 2, D. Circle, again, ready, go. 3, 3, A. 1, 2, 3, 1, A. 3, 3, 2, 1, D, 1, 2, D. Okay, now let's practice our B line, okay? This is the one that I said you have to open and close your elbow, really kind of flap your wings, ready, go. 1, 1, A, D. 1, 1, A, D. 1, 2, 3, 1, A, and then 2, 1. Bow circle. You got it? And our last A is going to be 3, 3, A. So it's kind of a surprise, that last line. Kind of putting people to sleep, and then all of a sudden it's like, wake up. So now, let's put that all together. Let's do A, B, A. Okay? This is going to be awesome. I love this song. Here we go. So 1, 2, 3 on the A string. Weight on. Lean into that index finger for the staccato notes. Ready, set, go. 3, 3, A. 1, 2, 3, 1, A. 3, 3, 2, 2, 1, D, 1, 2, D. Ready? 3, 3, A, A. 1, 2, 3, 1, A, A. 3, 3, 2, 2, 1, D, 1, 2, D. B line. 1, 1, A, D. 1, 1, A, D. 1, 2, 3, 1, A. 2, 1. Circle. Last line A. Ready? Go. 3, 3, A, A. 1, 2, 3, 1, A, A. 3, 3, 2, 2, 1, D, 1, 2, D. Okay. Go back and practice that one. There's a lot of little steps, but it's so fun once you get it, all right? So I will see you in the playthrough next if you're ready, okay? Slow and fast. All right, I'll see you there. Bye.